Welcome to Auto Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace a cabin filter on Suzuki Kizashi. So if you see this lock here, remove this and then pull both sides and it will come off. Then you need to slide this off. So this part here is just you slide it and it will come off. So like that, come off. And now the cabin filter is behind this plastic cover here. So you can see there's two tabs here. These ones, let's squeeze both sides and it will come off. Similar on this side, and that's your cabin filter. As you can see, it's getting very dirty, so that could be a reason if you're having a bad smell when you turn the air conditioning on. So replace this filter and should be right after that. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel to get more and more updates. Thank you.